name? How old are you, Rex? 4. Okay, face to your right. Okay, to the other side. Okay, face front. Marunong ka mag-sing? You know how to sing? Yeah, no. Okay, you know how to dance? Okay, smile! Pag sinabi kong action, kunwari magpa-pretend ka nag-i-eat ka ng burger, ha? Sabihin mo ganon. Ang sarap. Ikaw nga, Rex. Isa pa, baby? Okay, o kunwari naman, na-hungry ka, sad ka, sabihin mo, Mommy, nagugutom na ako. O isa pa nga, walang smile. One more. Okay, smile.